Hello and welcome. So from next video we are going to make other mobile application that would be age calculator. So it will allow us to select two dates and between two dates it will just tell you your age. So let me just show you how our application would look like. So this is our age calculator app. So here I will click on this select your date of birth. So let's say I would select date of birth is let me just say it would be 1993. The month would be, let's say, October, and the date would be 8. Okay, so the date I have selected is 8th October 1992, and let's say I will select the date that is November 2022 and 3rd. So 3rd November 2022. So if I click on calculator, it will tell you that the person is 30 years and 1 month old. Let's say if I want to change the date, so let's say I would change the date to let's say it would be 2020, and here I would select the date is 1st December 2022. So now if I click on calculated, it would just say the person is 2 years and 11 months old. Okay, so this is the application that we are going to make from next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.